Hey guys, this is Jacob here with Off Leash Canine Training Hampton Roads. I'm here today with Nala. Nala is a 6-month-old golden retriever puppy, and she comes in with all of your normal puppy issues. She loves to jump on people, loves to bite on the leash. Really all she wants to do is just play all day, and then when she gets excited, she just loves to jump and let people know that she's just so happy to see them. Anytime that she meets new people, she's definitely not scared of them because she looks to throw herself at them and jump all over them, bite at their hands, and do all those cute puppy things that, you know, as she gets older, she needs to grow out of. But we're going to work to help her mature and help her grow up a little bit through some obedience. So let's see what she knows right now. Nala, come. Come. Good. Sit. Good, sit. Good girl. Down. 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 Now, heel. Heel. So she's not really got heel down. She has a little bit of recall down. Her mom said she's worked a little bit on some puppy training, trying to get some sits and things like that. But we're working with mainly a blank slate, rounding out a puppy. But check back in a few seconds to see what she's learned over the next 2 weeks.
Wilson with Off Leash Canine Training, and I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're going to make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're going to get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.